Mara looked at her favorite sunflower, which was drooping sadly in its pot. She had been so busy with her schoolwork that she had forgotten to water it for 3 days. "I wish you could just tell me when you're thirsty," she sighed, touching a dry leaf. On the shelf nearby, a small silver sphere named Algo pulsed with a soft light, listening to her worry. "Actually, Amara," Algo chirped in his melodic voice, "with the Internet of Things, your plant could do exactly that." Amara looked up, puzzled. "The Internet of Things? I know the Internet is for watching videos, but how does it help a plant?" Algo's light turned a bright, thoughtful white. "It's about giving everyday objects a way to talk to each other." The next morning, Amara found her mentor, Ms. Priya, in the school's tech lab. "Ms. Priya, Algo said the Internet of Things lets objects talk. But plants don't have voices." Ms. Priya laughed gently and held up a tiny green circuit board with a silver prong. "They don't need voices, Amara. They need sensors. A sensor is like a digital sense of touch, sight, or smell." Ms. Priya pointed to a diagram on the wall. "First, the thing, like your plant, gets a sensor to gather data. Second, that data travels through the Internet bridge. Third, it reaches a receiver, like your phone. It's a giant web of gadgets sharing secrets to help us take care of the world." Amara started to see the invisible threads connecting everything. Amara went home and met her younger brother, Vihan. Together, they decided to build a smart garden project. "Look, Vihan," Amara explained as she pushed the sensor into the soil of her sunflower. "This prong feels how much water is in the dirt. It's going to send a message to my tablet through the Wi-Fi." Vihan hovered close, fascinated by the tiny blinking light on the sensor. Suddenly, Amara's tablet on the floor let out a loud ding. A message appeared on the screen. "I'm thirsty." Vihan jumped with joy. The plant talked. It really talked. Amara showed him how she could tap a button on the screen. Across the room, a small motorized water pump connected to a bottle began to whir, sending a perfect stream of water into the pot. "Is the whole house part of this Internet of Things?" Vihan asked as they walked into the kitchen. Amara pointed to the thermostat on the wall. "Almost. See that? It has a temperature sensor. It talks to the air conditioner, so the house stays cool without wasting electricity. It's like the house is thinking about how to save energy for us." "It even helps people stay healthy," Amara added, pointing to the colorful band on Vihan's wrist. "Your fitness tracker is an IoT device. It senses your heartbeat and how many steps you take. If Grandpa's heart beat too fast, his watch could instantly talk to a doctor's computer to make sure he's okay." Vihan looked at his watch as if it were a superhero gadget. At the school science fair, Amara showed her classmates a bigger map. "IoT isn't just for plants and watches," she told Ms. Priya. "Cities use sensors in trash cans to tell trucks when they are full, and sensors in the ocean to watch for big storms. When things talk, they help us protect the planet." Ms. Priya clapped, impressed by Amara's vision. That night, the house was peaceful. Amara looked at her sunflower, which stood tall and strong. "Good night, Algo," she whispered. "Good night, Amara," Algo replied, his light fading to a soft, sleepy amber. Amara realized that the world wasn't just a collection of objects anymore. It was a giant, living network, and she was a part of it.